Model, 66 Citroen Relay 35 L3 Hdi Luton box van ULEZ engine noisy needs repair no VAT. Body, white, Luton box. Mileage, 251,000. MOT, the 26th of May 2025. Engine, 2198 cc4 HHD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: engine starts and runs, but is noisy and popping from intake. Could be timing issue. Worst case, engine needs repair or replacement grin. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: 2 electric windows, air-con, cruise control, parking sensors. Euro status: ULEZ